Namaste, good evening. Start by sitting in Sukhasana. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Take a deep inhale. Keep lengthening your spine. Slow exhale. Relax the lower back and hips. Keep the back straight. Relax your shoulders. Take one more deep inhale. Slow exhale. Patanjali Namana. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yogaparotam Pravaram Munina Patanjali Chin eyes closed. Keep lengthening the spine. Put your back straight, neck in line with the spine. Observe your breathing. And slowly inhale. And as you exhale, open your eyes. Start to inhale, both hands up. Exhale, take the right hand down beside you and bend over to the right side. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend over to the left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more on both sides. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Come back center. Interlock the fingers. Pull the arms up behind the ears. Lock the elbows. Gaze at the ceiling. Don't drop your head back. Keep straightening the arms, straightening the back, sides of the body, and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold your elbows, releasing the arms. Push the arms behind your head some more. Inhale, lengthen the sides of the body. Exhale, bend over to the right side. To your right side, bend. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, bend over to the left side. Keep pulling the right elbow as you bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Pull the left elbow as you bend to the right. Once more. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the left. One last round. Inhale. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Slowly stand up, go near the wall. You keep your toes in front of the wall, heels on the wall. You're going to come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hands in front. Push the hips back, tighten the legs against the wall, straighten the legs fully. Spread your fingers, press the palms. Chest in, keep straightening the spine and pushing the hips back up. Tighten the legs completely. Keep pushing the head towards the mat. Observe your lower abdomen. and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your heels on the ground but touching the wall. Press the heels towards the wall. Push back a little bit more. Again, straighten the legs. Stay in the same position. Keep breathing. Push the hips back and up. Head down. And straighten all the arms and legs. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the heels back on the wall. Inhale, look up between your hands. Exhale, drop the knees down. Keep your heels on the wall. Push the hips back. Drop the forehead down. Stretch the arms on your fingertips. Straighten the arms away from the ground. Lock the elbows. You're pressing the heels on the wall. So push the hips back. On your fingertips, walk the fingers away from you. Feel the stretch in the shoulders. Straighten the arms. Forehead down. Keep breathing. And from here, press your palms down. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha, all the way up. Toes touching the wall. Now slowly straighten your legs to make the heels touch the wall. Your knees may come off, that's okay. Keep the hips down, chest up and open. And slowly push back again to Adho Mukha. Drop the knees down, pushing back. Inhale forward to Urdhva Mukha. All the way up. Again, push back. Adho Mukha. Shashankasana with the heels pressed on the wall. One last round. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Keep your heels on the ground, touching the wall. And from here, inhale, take the right leg straight up. Straighten both the legs. Turn the right hip inwards. Straighten the arms, push the head down, push the chest in. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the right leg down, keeping both the heels on the ground but touching the wall. Again, inhale, left leg up. Straighten both the legs. Push your chest in towards the leg. Keep lifting up the left leg. Toes inwards. Stay strong on the arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, leg down. Toes together, knees slightly open. Sit back in Shashankasana. Relax. You're going to keep the knees and your feet slightly hip distance apart. And from there, don't move your hips forward. Just stretch your hands out in front. And drop your forehead and chest on the mat. Push the hips back. You're going into a back bend here by arching the back, toes outwards. Keep your forehead and chest pressing towards the mat or ground. Hands on the mat. Push the hips back and breathe. Now tuck your toes in. You're going to lift your head up. Keep your chin on the mat. And hold it there. Keep breathing. Feel the arch in the back. Push the hips back. Chest on the ground. Chin on the ground. Now slowly get your hands back towards the shoulders. And from here, keeping the chin and chest down, slightly move the body forward. And inhale, take your right leg straight up. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, left leg down. Sit back in Shashankasana. Slowly come back up to Uttanasana. Feet about hip distance apart. Hands in front of your feet. Press the palms down. Drop your head fully. And slowly start straightening the legs, tightening your kneecaps, and drop the head down as much as possible. Pull your stomach in. Hold it there. Observe your stomach as you breathe. Release the hands, fold your elbows. Push the head down, hold it. Keep moving the elbows towards the ground. And slowly release your hands, inhale and come up. Mukha 4-5 rounds, inhale and exhale. Breathe in. As you breathe out, bend forward, blow out fully. Relax the breathing, relax the body. Get ready for Surya Namaskar. Front of the mat, feet together. Hands in Namaskara Mudra, back straight. Tighten the legs, tuck the hips in. Eyes gently closed. Take one deep inhale. Slow exhale. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tattvam pushannavaranu satyadharmaya drishtaye Om Mitraya Namaha 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Om Ravaye Namaha 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Om Suryaya Namaha 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Now here take 2-3 breaths. Slow down the breathing, relax the body, keep the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Body in Samasthiti, legs tight, back straight, eyes closed. Inhale and long exhale 2-3 times. We'll take it slow now. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale to a back bend, tighten the legs, push the hips forward, stretch the hands up. Looking up at your hands. Hands beside the ears, keep straightening the elbows. Push the hips forward and pull the spine backward. Take a deep inhale on the exhale, stretching the arms forward all the way. Ardha Uttanasana, and then come down fully to Uttanasana. Tighten your legs, press the palms, drop the head fully. Drop the top of the head towards the ground. Inhale, take a big step, right leg all the way back. Push the hips forward. Chest moving up, stay on your fingertips if you need to. Expand the chest as you inhale. On the exhale, go to Dvipada. Body in a straight line, tighten the legs. Tuck your hips in, don't push it up. Chest and back opened up. Gaze in front. Pull the stomach in and tighten the whole body. Now inhale, and as you exhale, go to Ashtanga Namaskara. Pull your knees closer to your chest. Hold your breath for 2-3 seconds over there. Inhale, sliding forward. Move the hips towards the wrist. Urdhva Mukha. You can tighten the legs and lift the knees off the ground. Heels towards each other. Chest up. Hips pressing down. Keep the arms strong. Elbows locked. Again inhale, and on the exhale, in one move, pushing backwards. Press the heels down nicely. Straighten the legs. Lock the knees again. Arms are strong again. Elbows locked. Push back. Head moving down. Hips moving up. Observe your abdomen as you exhale in Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg all the way in front, between the hands. Once more, going into a back bend, lift the chest up. Exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana, head down completely. Try to press the palms beside the feet this time. And inhale, back to Namaskara Sthiti. Take a moment there, inhale and slow exhale. Last 4 rounds. Om Savitre Namaha. Ekam Dve Treni Chatvari Pancha Shata Sapta Ashta Nava Dasha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Ekam Dve, right leg back, Treni Chatvari Pancha Shata Sapta Ashta Nava Dasha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. Inhale and long exhale. Straighten the body, straighten your back, tighten the legs. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Stay right there, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana. Last 2 rounds. Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana. Hands down from the sides, relax completely. Once more Mukha Dhoti. 3-4 rounds. Breathe in and breathe out. Slow down your breathing, relax the body, and come back near the wall. We start with the left leg near the wall, right foot about hip distance away. Press the hip against the wall. Take the left hand straight up, right hand on the thigh, starting with a side bend to the right side. Inhale, lengthen the left hand, press the left hip on the wall. Exhale, left hand behind the head. Slide the right hand down towards the ankle, bend over to the right side, head back. If you can, look at your fingers. Straighten the left arm and hold it there. Keep pushing the hip into the wall. Tighten both the edges of both the feet, inner edge, outer edge. Tighten the legs and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and release. Now keep the right foot against the wall, left foot hip distance apart. Right hand all the way up. Press your right hip on the wall, left hand on the thigh. Straighten the right arm. Inhale, stretch the side of the body. Press both the feet firmly on the ground, all 4 corners of the feet. On the exhale, right hand behind the ear, slide the left hand down and reaching towards the ankle, bend over to the left side, head back. Try to look at your fingers if you can. Press the outer edge of the right foot and the hip on the wall. Keep breathing. Expand the rib cage on the right side. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale back, exhale, release. Now with the left hand, feet together, stand with 1 arm distance from the wall. Place your left hand on the wall, shoulder height, feet together, thighs rotated inwards, touching each other. You're going to inhale, stretch the right hand up behind the ear. On the exhale, pushing the wall away from you. Bend over to the left side, try to touch your right fingertips towards the wall, head back. You don't have to look up, just look in front. Push the left arm straight, like you're pushing the wall away from you, left hip forward, right hip back. Try to bring the right fingertips towards the left fingertips, trying to touch the wall. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, right hand back and release. Turn around to the other side. One arm distance from the wall, right hand shoulder distance, feet together. Inhale, left hand all the way up. Stretch the left arm up. Pull it up. Now press the right arm strongly, pushing the wall away from you. Inhale, and on the exhale, bend over to the right, over the right arm to the right side. Head back. Keep trying to pull the fingertips towards the wall. Right hip forward, left hip back and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, left hand up, exhale and release. Now come with your left foot against the wall. Right leg one leg distance or a little bit more. Turn the right foot out, pressing the left foot outer edge on the wall, left hand on the hip. Trikonasana, inhale, right hand all the way up. Tighten both the legs. Exhale, bending to the side, hold your right ankle. Push the left hip back, head and chest back. Inhale, left hand up. Look up at your left hand if you can. Stay there. 1, 2. Keep tightening the legs and lifting the fingertips up. 3, 4 and 5. Now inhale, take the arm over the ear. Straighten the arm, look at the fingertips. Keep pulling the right hip forward and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Turn the right foot in. Bring the right foot back. Now the same thing. Right toes on the wall. Left heel down. Toes on the wall. Left heel down. Left foot about little more than one leg distance away. Again, left hand on the hip. Right hand all the way up. Inhale, push the left hip back. On the exhale, bend over. Hand on the ankle. Head back, chest open. Keep the left hip back. Right hip turning forward. Look up at the wall if you can. Inhale, take the left hand to touch the wall. Reach at the highest point you can. Look at your left fingers. Pressing your right toes on the wall. Tighten both the legs. And stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Other side, right foot against the wall. Left foot, little more than one leg distance. Turn the left foot out. Outer edge of the right foot on the wall. Right hand on the right hip. Both hips facing towards the side. Inhale, stretch the left hand up near the left ear, behind the left ear. On the exhale, bending sideways, keeping the head back, hold the ankle. Push the head and chest back, right hip rolling backwards. And inhale, right hand straight up, look at your right hand. 1, keep tightening the legs, lift the chest up, lift the fingertips up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take the right arm over the ear, look at your fingers, straighten the arm, keep the chest open to the side, keep breathing, pushing the right hip back, left hip rotating forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, turn the right foot in, left foot in and bring it back. Now the other side, same thing. With the left foot on, toes on the wall, heel down. Take the right inner edge, arch in line with the left heel. One leg distance, a little more. Turn the hips to the side. Inhale, left hand all the way up, right hand on the hip. Exhale, bending forward, keep your head back, hold the left ankle, rotate the right hip outwards, push the head and chest back. Now inhale, take the right hand on the wall, reach the highest point you can, straightening the arm, chest open, look at your fingers if you can, otherwise look to the side, keep tightening the legs. Stay there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale, come up, exhale, release and feet together. Now we do Parshvakonasana. Again take the left foot against the wall, right foot in front, 1.5 leg distance. Turn the right heel, right foot outwards. Inhale, right hand up. On the exhale, bending the right knee, reaching forward with the right arm. Hold the ankle, push the left hip down, turn the chest open to the side. Inhale, left hand over the ear, straighten the left arm, chest open to the side. Press the outer edge of the left foot and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release, right leg back. Same thing on the other side. Left foot against the wall. Take the, right foot against the wall. Take the left foot 1.5 leg distance. Turn the left foot out. Tighten both the legs. Right hand on the hip. Inhale, left hand up. On the exhale, bend the left knee. Reaching forward, hold the left ankle. Turn the right hip open, chest open. Bring the right hip down. Tighten the right leg. Inhale, right hand over the ear. Look at your fingertips if you can. Keep pushing the right hip back. Straighten the body. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Take the leg back and relax. Now if you have a blanket, you can use the blanket under your knee. Now take the left foot completely against the wall and the right knee in front. Back is straight, right knee is in front. Then inhale, take both the hands up. On the exhale, take the left hand outside the right knee, right here. Right hand behind you, reaching for the wall. Look at the right hand, twist nicely, hold it there. You can push the hip forward, keep the left hand outside the right knee and stay there. Look at the right fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the left hand. Stay on the same side. Now you can take this the blanket near the wall. Keep your lower part of the left leg against the wall with the knee close to the wall. Take the right leg in front. Push the hip forward, both the hands on the inside of the right foot. Chest up. All you have to do is stay there. Keep the shoulder next to the arm, next to the knee. Keep the knee next to the shoulder. Lift the chest up, straighten the arms. Push the hip forward and down. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay in the same position. Just take the left hand out a little bit. Inhale, reach the right hand up. Hold the big toe on the left foot. And turn the chest open to the side. Keep lifting the chest up, pushing the hip forward, and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring the hand back. Release the right leg and release the left leg. Just sit with the legs in front for a few seconds. Shake the knees out, shake the legs out, and we'll repeat on the other side. First, keep your right foot completely against the wall. Take the left foot in front, knee up, right full sole is pressed on the wall. Back straight, tuck your hips in. Inhale, right hand all the way up. On the exhale, right elbow outside the left knee, right here. Turn the chest nicely, pull the stomach in. Take the left hand behind you, trying to reach the wall. Twist completely, look at your left hand, hold it there. Stay there. 1, 2, pull the stomach nicely. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Now take the mattress near the wall, the blanket near the wall. Keep the knee against the wall and the right lower leg completely against the wall. Left foot in front. And you stay there. Inhale, push the hip forward, both the hands on the inside of the left foot. Lift the chest up, push the hip forward. Keep breathing, keep expanding the chest, look in front. Feel that right hip, tighten the buttock and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take the right hand outside a little bit more. Inhale, stretch the left hand up. Hold the big toe on the right foot. Turn the chest open to the side. Look over the left shoulder if you can. Push the right hip forward and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release the arm, release both the legs, stretch the legs out in front and relax. Shake the knees out, relax. From here, open both the legs out as wide as you can. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, turn towards the right leg. Bending forward, take the hands outside the foot. Pull the head forward, chest down on the leg. Bend your elbows towards the ground, toes facing up. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. On the exhale, twist towards the left leg, bend forward, hold it there. Keep breathing, push the head forward, chest towards the leg, toes up and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale up, exhale, release the hands. Bending forward, Upavishta Konasana. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, hold your big toes. Pull the chest and chin forward. Try to get your chest towards the ground, holding onto your big toe. Bend the elbow towards the ground. Hold it there. Pull the chin forward. Now slowly drop the forehead towards the ground and stay there. Keep rotating the thighs outwards. Keep holding onto your big toe. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Feet together, legs together. Just move about 1 arm distance away from the wall. Bend your right knee, Vakrasana. Inhale, straighten the back. On the exhale, take the right hand behind you on the wall, pushing the wall away from you. Now twist nicely. Take the left elbow outside the right knee. Completely twist and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale and exhale, release. Bend the left knee. Hold the knee, straighten the back. Inhale. On the exhale, left hand behind you. Right hand outside the left knee. Try to hold your ankle. Twist and look over the left shoulder. Right toes up. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale and exhale, release. Turn around. Keep both feet against the wall. Feet together. Inhale, hands up. On the exhale, just lean forward, keeping the head up. Press your hands on the wall. Don't drop the head. Pushing the wall away from you. Shoulders back and relax. Straighten the spine. Tighten the legs on the ground. Keep pulling the chin and forehead forward. Pull your lower abdomen in and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Lie down on your back. Knees up towards the chest. Inhale, and on the exhale, drop both the knees to the right side. Turn your head completely to the left. You can hold your knees and pull it down. Stay there, keep breathing, close your eyes. Observe your hips and lower back, buttock muscles as you press the knees towards the ground. Slowly inhale, come back center. Exhale, drop it to the other side. Pull the knees down, turn your head to the right. Right shoulder down. Keep breathing. Observe your back, hips and buttock muscles. Inhale, come back center. Straighten both the legs up, turn the toes in, knees together, hands at your sides, palms facing up. Tuck your chin down, tighten the kneecaps, toes in, hold it there. Slowly inhale, and as you exhale, bend your knees, take your hands under your knees, hold your elbows or your wrists, hug your knees in and stay there. Slowly inhale, lift your forehead up towards your knees, try to touch. Don't pull your neck, pull your knees closer. Head down, legs down. Stretch the legs out, relax for a few seconds. Slowly turning from the right side, sit up, pranayama, sit comfortably, back straight, eyes closed, hands in namaskar mudra. Pranasedam vashe sarvam pritiveya pratishtitam mateva putran rakshasva shriksha pragyangsha videhena iti. Chin mudra. We'll do one Om chant. Inhale. Slowly stop, observe the vibrations. Keeping your back straight, eyes closed. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Right hand Anunasika Mudra. Right thumb on the right nostril. Inhale through left, 2, 3, 4. close the left, open the right nostril, exhale through right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through right, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue on your own. 2 more minutes. One more minute. Slowly stop by exhaling completely from the left nostril. Finish on the left side. Hands in Chin Mudra. Brahmari Pranayam. 5 rounds. Inhale. Continue on your own. Last round, inhale. Slowly stop. Eyes remain closed, hands in Chin Mudra. Observe the vibrations. Observe your breathing. Right there. Turn and face the wall. Lie down. Keeping your legs on the wall. Hips just about a few inches away from the wall. Keep your legs straight up on the wall. Relax the legs. Chin down, hands by your side. Eyes remain closed. Relax the whole body. Completely relax the legs. Observe the sensation in the right leg, in the left leg, in the right hip, left hip. Relax the whole spine on the ground, back of the shoulders, the whole right arm, whole left arm. Relax the whole front of your body. Face is relaxed. Eyeballs rolled back, gaze behind the forehead. All the fingers and toes relaxed. Back of your head, the whole skull and scalp region, and the top of your head. Completely relax the legs. Relax the body. Keep your awareness only on the breath. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body. Moving your toes and fingers. Inhale, slowly bend both the knees, turn to your right side, keep your head on the right hand, left hand in front of you. Supporting with the left hand. Come up to sitting position, eyes remain closed. Back straight, hands in Namaskar Mudra, Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhagave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namanasana. Calming. Place your palms on your eyes, press it nicely. Inhale, and as you exhale, look into your hands and open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you, ladies.